Interlock your fingers behind you. Stretch your arms away from your body. Bring your right foot forward. Inhale, open your chest and stretch your neck back. Exhale and slowly bend forward from the hips. Bring your forehead to your chin if you can. Stretch your arms towards the floor. Breathe softly and evenly as you hold the pose. Now exhale completely. Then inhale slowly and come up with a straight back. Bring your right foot back. Put your left foot forward. Inhale, stretch your arms up and your neck back. Exhale and bend forward, keeping your back straight. Go down as far as you can without straining. Relax your shoulders. Let them stretch downward. If you lock your right knee, the thigh muscle will become stronger. Exhale completely. Then inhale and slowly come up. Bring your feet together and release your hands.